The Chinthong unit of the Karbi Students Association had on Thursday convened a meeting to appeal public to maintain peace in the region following tense situation along the Karbi-Anglong-Meghalaya interstate border area. Here is a report. The meeting was chaired by KSA Chinthong Head Branch President Khorsing Rongpi. The meeting was specially convened with the aim of urging the public of the border areas to maintain peace among themselves and to promote unity and brotherhood in every situation. The All Assam Gorkha Student Union Amri Chinthong Regional Committee President M. Chetri, KSA CEC Organizing Secretary in Charge Hamren Regional Committee Prabin Timung, several SGBs and GBs were present during the public peace meeting. However, despite being invited, the Khasi Students Union leaders and a Khasi SGB did not turn up for the meeting. Following this, the KSA leaders had sought explanation from Khasi students' body as they are among the main stakeholders in the present border issue. During the meeting, student leaders as well as the local social workers had urged upon people having dual ration card and voter ID card to surrender the one belonging to Meghalaya Gov to avoid further complication in the area. The students' bodies asserted that peace and tranquility should prevail in the area.
Chinthong area, ahoy adui ke dudun, agambura mate SGB atau man tu papono. Itu dah samjin pen koson si nom la suluk sudah ka problem man ke solve ma kena suka mat happen itu na dak Chinthong Head Branch ke situ mat happen ini pun memang juang happen cingwai lap long lo kisma din man ke sita ala ke ongdung itu ma khasi ko itu ma gang berapa la khasi gang berapa tumbang bang weda kita ladak pini Nepali gang berapa dan tengok ke gang berapa tumbang dulu.
We also appreciate our KSA Chinthong group because they organized this meeting to maintain peace in the border. So we hope that it will be peace. So hopefully we reach in our meeting. But today we are unfortunate because our Khasi brothers and there's Rangbasanam and their headman and even no single came in the meeting, but we hope that they will come in the next meeting and we will be able to maintain peace and tranquility among the community.
Dual epic law বা dual facility law এইবিলাক বস্তুবিলাকৰ কেনেকৈ ইয়াৰ পৰা যে নাইকিয়া কৰিব পাৰে এটো কাৰণে এটা বিশেষ গাঁও বেচিছৰ আমাৰ যোনটো চিনথং আমাৰ উমলাফেৰ বেচিছ লগতে আমাৰ চিনথং বেচিছৰ যোনটো মিটিংটো আজি অৰ্গানাইজ কৰা হৈছিল কিন্তু হেতু মিটিংত আমি বহুত আখৰে আজি উপস্থিত হৈছিল মিটিংত যে যিবিলাক সমস্যা বৰ্তমান চলি আছে এটো সমস্যাটো সমাধান হওক বুলি আমি আজি উপস্থিত আছিল কিন্তু যাক আশা কৰিছিল খাসিয়া কমিউনিটিৰ পৰা কোনো গামবুঢ়া হওক বা কোনো গাঁৱৰ মুৰব্বী কোনো এজনো উপস্থিত নোৱাৰ কাৰণে আমাক বহুত দুখ লগা কথা যে আমি এটা পিসফুলি মেইনটেইন কৰিবৰ কাৰণে আজি উপস্থিত হৈ যে আমি সক্ষম হ'ব নোৱাৰো আৰু
Himari Rongphar from Ulukunchi for Karbi Anglong Live.